me going to pick up a can. You back up to the can first, with your rails up in the air. Put your gloves on. And then you're gonna grab this hook. And you're gonna connect it to here, like so. Make sure your door is locked, your chain is there, so your door won't slide open on you. Also want to sometimes double check that you have nothing in here to slide out. Now I'm gonna go back in the truck, get ready to raise it up so I can back this truck up. Got 2 levers here. One foot on the brake, one foot on the gas. And here we go. You gotta watch your can so it don't tip over. There we go, just jumped. Lower this down a little bit. And you also got to keep your eyes on your mirror so you can pay attention to see if it's going to jump the rails, jumping off or anything. Lower it down. Now I have to get out. I'm gonna throw my tarp. Throw my tarp over my unit, my can. And then I'm gonna need 2 hands for this one, so I can't hold the phone. I'm gonna start recording in a second. We have to throw chains around. And again, make sure your load is secured. Nothing will fall out on the highway. And put the chains on the other side.